Hello guys, here I am again building a poor man's guitar with some nails for frets and screws for bridge, a piece of wood, an oak, and a little tin box from some cologne. Uh, with a lot of personal work and sanding and cutting the wood and making it the shape to fit to the box and to be a proper guitar with normal sound with the tin box so it can resonate and making a sustain to the sound. This is the box with some wood inside so it will be steady, and the wood to fit to the box. Here is the cut to the box so it will fit properly inside. This is the wood making threads and the markings on the fretboard. This is a poor man's guitar because very little materials were needed to, to build, and nothing so expensive. Just a piece of wood, some nails, screws, the keys, and of course the strings. I also put a cheap uh, electronic to be electric guitar. Now you see it finished with varnish, and later of the video you will hear him. You can listen to the sound it makes, making the adjustments to the bridge so the notes will be right, and here you can listen to her and you can see that it's tuned at GDG. Enjoy the sound, and I will make another video with more with that guitar.